Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Simply Schedule Appointments, one of the best WordPress plugins for booking and scheduling appointments. With this powerful tool, you can create unlimited booking calendars, send automated notifications, and manage all your appointments with ease, all for free. Whether you're a business owner, consultant, or freelancer, this plugin will save you time and make scheduling effortless. So let's dive in and get your appointment booking system up and running in less than 5 minutes. Let's go!